Hello everybody and welcome to 3C Woodworking. Today what you're looking at is a shelf that has been given the fractal burn. I finally got the fractal burn going and the phone died, so I just went ahead and I continued. I'm using my cell phone and my storage is quite full. These are still drying, but just a quick view of what they look like all finished. When applying the finish, just like the plastic cup that I had shown you, I made a mixture. Isn't that beautiful? That is a poplar. And as it turned out, there was a coating on it. So I scraped off the last of the coating and then went back to it and it started to work, and then the phone died. So that will wrap up this project as soon as this dries and I give it to the customer. I hope to show his reaction when he sees it. On another note, real quick, I decided I was going to remake the box. I mitered the corners. I made sure to keep the grain flow going all the way around on both the outside as well as, let me get around to the other side. I got these long boards here, so it makes it a little difficult. So I followed the grain all the way around. I used one board. I mitered the corners. Then I actually ended up taking and cutting these to 4 inches. Gave me a little bit of an offcut. Let me come back around. I got these boards out waiting to be cut, but I'm waiting for the urethane to dry. So let's set this down for a moment. Here is the lid. I use the offcuts. See if I can get around here so I can see and you can see too. I use the offcuts and I mitered those as well. So all of the corners have been mitered using the same, see if you can see that, trying to follow the grain so that there was the right transition. And then for the top, on one side it's 45 all the way through, and on the other side it's 45 with, I left about a half of an inch up top. Then I took and I rounded this edge over as well as this edge, and this is glued on. So when it sits on the box, one moment, and then we'll spin this around. So then let me get where you can see the light. Then when it sits together, the grain as well as the grain pattern follows all the way around. There's also going to be just like the other box, it's going to have the cutout for the jars, and for the bottom, I've decided that I am going to go with this section. Let me come around the board here. I've decided that I am going to use this section. Let's see if you can get a better view of it. This is cedar. And it's going to sit in the bottom, something like that. Gotta cut it, clean it, and then after I put this in, this is going to be a false bottom. We've decided we're gonna go with a secret compartment. Yep, you heard it. A secret compartment. It's gonna be underneath. And let's see. This is going to be sitting in. This is the piece that I chose for the jars. So those yet to be rounded over. So once again, this was the piece I was going to use, but it's a little skinny, not quite wide enough. I'd have to joint another board to it. So once again, thank you for tuning in. 3C Woodworking, where everything is custom made, custom built, custom design. And I'm Charlie, and I love woodworking, and I thank you for your views. I'd like to hear a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me if there's something you don't like, something you think I should change. Just leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, just be sure to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.